get in math yesterday?
I got 75, Yumna got 60, and Maulana got 95. How about you?
I got 100.
Wow, congratulations!
It's the highest from us. Thank you guys. And about your score, you must say again.
Keep spirit. I pray that we will get a high mass in the future. Thank you for supporting.
Of course, I will support you. I agree, of course, I always support you.
And I hope we can success in the future. Yeah, well.